By the way, let me show you something really quickly. I don't know that I need to do it on this block. I don't think I need to, but if I had wanted to, certainly. Let's go to the layers. We're going to do I need to name that layer. This will be our noise. There we go. So create a layer. I'm going to, for instance, just to illustrate for you, I'm going to mask an area. I'm going to hold my control key down and I'm just going to mask. I'm doing the kind of a lighter area. I'm not being really tough with it. Let's go ahead and invert that mask and I'm going to remask some of that. Okay, something like that. All right, so this is the area we want to be affected, just this stuff in here. All right, so I could do a couple different things. I can look, for instance, I can grab my clay buildup and build that up, and as you can see, it affects an area, but that's not quite what I'm looking for. What I can do is go to our surface, okay, and then we're going to click and edit, and then let's get there. There we go. So I can go ahead and now ramp up a really big strength here and say something like that and hit OK. All right, and see it affected only that one area. I can go ahead and now apply that to the mesh. Go to our layers, turn that off just so you can see it. I'm turned off the recording, not the mesh. Now, just to show you, you see that? So I'm extra emphasizing some of that detail. And you can do that with the layers and masking. It's really awesome to be able to do something like that because you can add in some of that all over this particular brick and get a really good effect. I kind of like what I've got right now. I don't know that this necessarily would add anything to it right now. We'll go ahead and just call this extra. Let's go ahead and just duplicate this real quick. I'm curious to see. Oh, and as you can see, wow, that really emphasized that now. You can see the area that really got bumped up with that now. So I don't know that I would necessarily need to see something like that. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Let's just turn this on and off. I mean, does that really make that much difference on this? No, but it is kind of interesting. It does create some extra divots. I'll go ahead and leave this for now. I will go ahead and call this stone brick done. This is all we're going to need to be able to build our mausoleum with. This brick now gives me 6 completely different sides that look similar and such, but they're not. And I can look to add in more cracks later on once I position the model in and see where I need to be able to do something like that to be a little bit more effective. All right. But as of right now, I think that, yeah, that looks pretty sweet. So let's go ahead and make sure we've saved it. I'm just going to write over the file. And there we go for the bricks. So in the next module, we'll take a look at assembling everything. This has been 3dmotive.com, and thanks for watching.